I used to dread writing proposals as a HR consultant. The blank page, the endless rewording, the panic when a client wanted it by end of day. Now, I let AI do the heavy lifting, and my last proposal took 10 minutes instead of 3 hours. I feed the key details into my custom GPT, built specifically for client proposals. Who it's for, the project goals, timelines, and what makes my offer unique. Then I say, draft a 2-page proposal for a leadership training program in my friendly but professional tone. Within seconds, I've got a solid first draft. No staring at a blinking cursor. No copy-paste from old proposals that don't quite fit. Then I spend 5 minutes refining the tone, adding personal touches, and making sure it reflects my brand voice. Done. Sent to a business owner who'd rejected 2 previous vendors. The feedback? Professional, clear, and exactly what we were looking for. We got the contract. If proposals are slowing down your pipeline, try letting AI take the first pass. Your next one could write itself and actually win. Subscribe for real-life AI shortcuts. Want to build your own custom GPT to write your proposals? Join my HR Bot Builder 2-hour training course, link in the description. Next week, the email avalanche and how I stopped spending mornings buried in admin.